Okay, so I've cut up the sides, front and back of every drawer, and I have actually taped them off into sections just so I don't get them mixed up. Now I need to work out how big the bases of each drawer need to be so that I can work out how I'm going to cut them out of a full sheet of, I'm using MDF. Ideally I'd like to use plywood, but I just don't have any on hand, and I have a full sheet of MDF here. So I know that each base is going to be as wide as the front panel I've cut for each drawer. So I know 540 is the width of the drawers on the left, and then I have the for the middle and the right side as well. And then I know that the drawer sides have all been cut to, I'm pretty sure I did 660. Yep, 660. Take away 2 lots of 19 mil. We'll just call it 20. So I'm looking at 620 long. So I'm going to get my laptop and I'm going to go to this website, which is called cutlistoptimizer.com. Then I can come in here and I can put the length for all of them are 620. So I'm going to put, I know there's 3 different lengths. And then the width of the first one is 540, and I have 3 drawers at that size. The second one is going to be, what is the second one cut to? 262, is that right? Yep, 262, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those drawers. And then the last one, there is 2 drawers and they are cut to 305. Oop, 2. Then I'll come down here to my stock sheets. I have 2400, 2400 for the length by 1200. And I usually just put that I have 20 sheets, even though I only have 1. Because usually I'll do this before I even get sheets, so I know how many sheets to buy. So I just put in 20 sheets, and then it will tell me when I click calculate, it'll work out the best cutting. And there we have it. So now it's showing here where I need to lay out to cut every piece out of one sheet. Now I can even come over here and I can set the kerf thickness of my blade, which my blade is about, I'm just going to leave it at 5 mil because I'll adjust for that anyway. So now that I have this, I can take it over to my sheet of MDF and cut out all of my panels.